When it comes to this battery system, we are talking massive power capacity as well as expandability. We're looking at 2,048 watt hours of capacity, which will power most appliances and electronics for about 1 to 2 days. Since it is expandable, I could add up to 10 more batteries this same size, bringing us to a total of 22,528 watt hours, which could basically power a home. With this setup, you can charge a cell phone about 114 times, a laptop for 18 charges. If you put this thing in a setup like a van, you could run something like a coffee machine for 110 minutes. You could also power a microwave for 2.6 hours, or in my case, this thing that I relate to the most, a car refrigerator for 38 hours. The DJI Power 2000 is all about high output power and device capability. This thing is capable of providing 3,000 watts of continuous output stably until it's fully depleted. We're talking microwaves that are generally 800 to 1,100 watts, an air conditioner which will typically run at about 12,000 watts, a hair dryer which draws a ton of power, we're talking about 1,800 watts there, and even an induction cooker, whether it's like an air fryer or an induction stove top. Those things on the highest setting can typically draw around 2,200 watts of power. So as long as you're not going over the 3,000 watt limit on this thing, you could power multiple appliances off of this thing all at once, which is pretty cool. I could actually plug my Sprinter van into here as long as I set the power settings right on my vehicle, and I could use this thing to charge the batteries of my van, which is absolutely insane. We of course have the USB-C outlets that I talked about. 2 of them are 140 watts, 2 of them are 65 watts. And then we have 4 standard USB-A ports, which will all output 24 watts of power. When plugged into the grid, you can take this thing from 0 all the way up to 100% in about 75 minutes. It's packed with LFP batteries, which provides a 10-year lifespan, about 4,000 cycles. There are 26 temperature sensors, 21 fuses, nano-coated BMS and inverter potting, which is going to be good for its longevity, especially in environments like this, because there are of course fans on the side. It gets a little bit dusty when you're out on the road. So having that protection internally is a huge plus in my book. It operates very quietly. We're talking less than 29 decibels, which is even quieter than the fridge that I have in my setup. Somehow they designed this thing to be able to support 1 ton of pressure on top of this thing. I actually saw a photo of a vehicle parked on top of this. So I guess if you want to get extreme, maybe I get the truck stuck and I need to get a tire back onto the ground, I could drive it up onto this battery if I really wanted to.